So this is the video answer to the chart on the previous page. So this is that chart in question. So would you go long or short here? Again, we need to pay full attention to the trend. Where is the trend going? Because we are going to be trading in the direction of the trend. Again, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at what are the lows doing. So as I'm indicating the lows, we need to see whether they are going higher or lower. And these lows are going higher. What about the highs? Now we can see that this high is slightly lower, but the general gist of the highs is that they are getting higher. Higher lows and higher highs are indicating an uptrend. And in an uptrend, we want to be taking longs. Now, as you can see, this is a great move in an upward direction. And when we trade, we are going to be taking advantage of these up moves. Millions of dollars go through the currencies in order to make these type of moves. And all we're doing is we're taking a portion of that million. So as the price goes up, millions of dollars are going through the market. And all we're doing is we're taking advantage of those moves and we're just taking our slice of the pie. So I hope you got that right. If you didn't, you may want to go over the trend analysis section again. But if you did, then please continue over to the next page and we'll go through another example.